All right, folks, thank you for joining us. My name is Nestor. I'm here.
My name is Sean Erlich, the founder of Chivari, and we want to show you something interesting. For 18 years, we've been designing really cool stuff at Chivari, and we have a good one for you today.
So this is a beautiful new farmhouse table, except it's a farmhouse table like none you've ever seen before. Let's show them why.
Sure.
Underneath, you see we have a standard plywood banquet table underneath. This allows you to convert any plywood banquet table into a brand new, beautiful farmhouse table. Let's show them how the legs work.
Yeah. 3 lightweight pieces, easily take off the top, slide the banquet table legs down into the sleeve, and you have a beautiful farmhouse table. Utilizing existing inventory or utilizing ugly banquet table inventory that you have to cover up with linens, but today you cover it up with a farmhouse tabletop, and now you're in the farmhouse category.
Let's throw it back on. As you can see, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, bam. Get your new farmhouse table conversion kit at chivari.com.